Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm doing a bunch of stuff around the house, just getting it organized, getting it cleaned, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm doing a little bit better with my back, so I wanted to get a couple things done that I've been meaning to do, that have been on my to-do list for a little while, that I haven't been able to do. So first I'm starting out in Liam's room, and I just wanted to wash his bedding and also like deodorize, refresh his mattress. So I'm just putting some baking soda on the mattress, and then I'm going to vacuum it off in a little while. I usually wait about an hour or two. Just depends if I have other stuff going on as well. I'll just sprinkle that, and then I'll go around and do my other stuff that I have to do. So I'm throwing this stuff in the washer, and Liam's right next to me. We're playing in his playroom. I told him I need to do this voiceover, and then we can play and stuff. So that's what I'm doing now. But I'm using this Persil, and then I'm also using some OxyClean, and I usually do it warm, his bedding on warm, just to like get all the bacteria and germs and stuff out. I do like all of the bedding and stuff on warm, and same with towels and stuff like that, just to freshen it up, get out all those bad germs and things. Next, I'm in my room just making my bed. I didn't really do anything else in here because I was thinking to myself, nobody's gonna be in here if people are coming over. I close my door, nobody's coming in here, but I wanted to at least just make the bed. And this day I took a nice everything shower, so that's why I have the towel on my head still. If you were wondering, you probably weren't, but I took a nice everything shower, and it was so nice. And yeah, I'm wearing my new Bill sweatshirt in this video. I'm not sure if you'll be able to see it. My mom got it for me for my birthday, and I love it. It's so cute. And actually tonight I'm going to the Bills versus Steelers preseason game tonight, and I'm so excited to go. So that's what I'm doing today. I needed to edit this and then hang out with Liam, and then I'm gonna go to the Bills game tonight. Now I'm cleaning the bathroom, and then I'm gonna do some other stuff around the house as well. Everything just needed cleaned, really. I really needed to do more, but this is as much as I could handle for this week. Okay, now I'm doing a huge load of dishes. This, um, Jake's been working because he got a new job, so he started on Monday. So I've been doing the dishes every day, just to keep up with them because if I didn't, then I'd feel bad if Jake had to come home from work and do dishes. So I've been doing them during the day. So he hasn't had his dishes turn in a couple days. And I actually said that to him last night. I was like, "You haven't taken your turn in a long time." He's like, "That's because you've been doing the dishes during the day. I haven't had any chance to do my turn." But really, next video, I really need to deep clean this sink. I need to get like my little Rubbermaid like scrub brush out and like really scrub around. I just didn't have time for that today. Or this week at all. I've been so busy with Jake being gone and cleaning and just staying busy. Liam's had his couple speech classes and yeah, we've been pretty busy. But now I'm going to vacuum and mop both or all the bedrooms, hallway, and the bathroom. So, how is your week going? Like I said, we've been very busy. Jake started work on Monday, and then I only actually had one day of cleanings, which was nice. But Liam has had speech. Liam has had speech twice this week. Well, specialized instruction, and then he has speech, and they come to our house. So he had two of those this week, and then I had two visits to the chiropractor. And then also, we are having Liam's birthday party on Saturday. Today is Thursday, as I'm doing this voiceover. And it's at my parents' house, so I have to go over there tomorrow and do like a big deep clean of the house. Not a deep clean, but just like a clean of the house, the bathroom, the countertops, and like everything. I gotta do like a good cleaning, and then I also have to decorate for the birthday party, and then also just make sure I have everything that we need for the party. So that's kind of what's been going on this week. And then with Jake starting his work, it's been crazy because usually I've been used to him being home, that he hasn't been home, so we miss him. Me and Liam are like, Liam every morning is like, "Where's Dad?" I'm like, "He's at work." And then he's like, "I want Dad." And I'm like, "Yeah, I know. I do too." Like, but we have to work. We have to make the money somehow. But yeah, so I hope you guys are having a good week. If your kids started school, I hope they have an amazing school year. I know my mom just went back on Tuesday. She's a teacher. She went back on Tuesday. So she is excited for her school year, which makes me excited for her. And yeah. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Oh, also I wanted to say thank you so much for 200 subscribers. I just got 200 subscribers and I'm so excited. Thank you. I know that's like barely any, but it makes me really excited. And I love filming these videos. I love these cleaning type videos. Let me know other videos that you guys would like to see if you're not really into the cleaning, because I like to make, you know, hauls and makeup stuff and things like that as well. So just let me know. I love to do these cleaning ones though, and these like the voiceovers. And yeah, let me know your video suggestions down below, or a certain area you want me to like clean or organize or anything like that. Just let me know. I hope you guys have an amazing week, and also make sure you're subscribed and like the video, and I will see you guys very, very soon with a new video. Bye.